Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition glow plug harness kit that fits the Ford Powerstroke 6.0 liter diesel engine that's found in the 2004 to 2010 F250, F350, the Excursion, as well as some of the E350, E450 models, as well as the F450 models. So this complete kit includes both harnesses, both the right side and the left side harness, as well as the removal tool. So if you look at the actual plugs that go on the glow plug harness, you'll see that there's a groove here. And this tool actually hooks into there, and then you can pull on this to remove this from the harness. So you can use this to remove your factory harness, and in the future, if you ever need to remove this one, you can do that as well. Now you'll notice that each glow plug connector has an O-ring installed on it. You want to make sure you put a light coat of oil on each of the O-rings before you're installing it, and this will prevent any sort of pinching or crimping when you're installing it.